Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO A52 and let me show you how to record the screen on the following device. So actually all you have to do is simply unroll the top bar and do it again, and as you can see here we've got the screen recording icon, so simply tap on it. Let's agree to the statement. And as you can see here we've got the new bar in which we can start recording by tapping on this or simply go to the settings. So first of all, let's go to the settings. And now as you can see we can customize the record microphone sound or the video resolution or display orientation of generated video. So let's get back, and in order to start recording simply tap here. And as you can see now we are recording the screen and all our actions. To stop, simply tap here in the same place, and that's all. Here we've got the screen recording file has been saved. We can tap here to view it or simply find it in a gallery. So let's go to the albums. Here we've got media tab, videos, so let's click here, and here we've got our recorded video. Agree. So that's all. This is how you record the video in your OPPO A52, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.